Hey guys, so in this next video, I'm going to show you the same pushing the floor away, but this time on your hands and knees, so tabletop. So just like you did with your forearm shoulder protractions, it's the same type of deal. You're going to, with the arm straight, what happens is now you have an extra joint to work with, so the elbow joint. So hyperextending looks like that. Right? So when you hyperextend a joint, the energy stops there. You're totally dumped in the joint and you're not able to use your muscles. So it's super important if you hyperextend, which I used to, that you have a tiny micro bend. So if nobody can see a micro bend, it just makes the elbow not look like it's crazy extended, right? So you soften at the elbow joint and you push through the floor and engage into the shoulder. If you hyperextend, these will be harder for you. Everything in yoga will actually be harder for you to take that hyperextension out, but I encourage you to really do your best to not hyperextend. Your body is so intelligent. When you start to do that, it will notice right away and it will shift, okay? So make your way into your table, right? And have your shoulder stacked above your wrist. No hyperextension in the elbow. So if you need to, a little micro bend and engage from the hand to the shoulder. All right. So the arms stay straight the entire time. So no bending at the elbows. Okay. Keep those arms straight. Keeping the arms straight will increase the strength of the movement. So with your knees right below your hips, keeping the arms straight and strong. Let your chest collapse down. So you're just lifting the shoulders up towards the ceiling and letting the tips of the shoulder blades kind of squeeze together. And then just push the floor away. And as you do that, lift into your upper back, spread the shoulder blades across the back, and then see if you can push the hands through the mat and feel an engagement right into these sides. Good. And then relax it again. Chest comes down, shoulders up. And then push the floor away. Spread the shoulder blades across the back. See if you can squeeze into your armpits, hollowing them out. And then relax it again without bending the elbows. Push the floor away, lift the upper back. Now pull the upper arm bones together and push through the palms of the hands. See if you can hollow out the armpits, engage into these muscles. Good. And then again, soften and lift. Now this time you're going to stay in the lift. Imagine you're pushing the floor away from you. Keep pushing the floor away and slowly move into the collapse position without collapsing. And then lift again. So you're engaging muscles the entire time. You're using the negative to get stronger. So keep pushing the floor away. And at the same time, let the shoulders lift. Squeeze into the armpits. Again, find the lift and then slowly lower in. So you can do sets of these, however many that you feel, until you feel really taxed in those muscles, right? You can do these, I recommend all of these exercises twice a day. The more you do them, the more your body is going to change. So we've been doing the same things for so many years, right? But the body's super intelligent, as I said before. The moment we start to access different areas of the body, we fire our brain in a different way, and we start to train the body that these are the muscles we want to work. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope you'll share it, and please comment if you have anything to add. Peace.